earth and its interior. First topic, earth and its interior. You must have studied all these things, earth and its interior. See that the present earth is developed gradually through the cooling and solidification of molten material, stellar material. And during this process, what happened? The denser material got accreted, they got concentrated at the middle part, and the lighter one towards periphery, which is known as density stratification. Again, I am saying the present earth gradually developed due to cooling and solidification of molten stellar materials. During this cooling process, the denser materials got accreted at the center, okay, got deposited at the center, and less denser one towards the periphery. Again, I am saying the present earth gradually developed due to the cooling and solidification of molten stellar material. Stellar material means star-like material. During this cooling process, this is the cooling process, the denser materials got accreted at the center and the less denser one towards the periphery. So, the densest material got accreted at the center and the less denser one towards periphery. So, my friends, what happened here, you see, during this process of cooling, the densest material densest materials at the center and less denser one towards periphery, and the less denser silica and aluminum related material, densest nickel and ferrous, iron and nickel, and intermediate where it will silica and magnesium. They got deposited like this. Less denser one towards the periphery, densest one at the center with nickel and ferrous, mostly nickel and iron. Silica and magnesium at the intermediate level, silica and aluminum rich material at the upper part. So, in this way, the densest material got accreted at the center, less denser towards periphery. Again, I am saying the densest material is accreted at the center, less denser one towards periphery. Thereby, it developed three distinct zones here. What are those? It develops three distinct zones of, you can see, the core, , the mantle and the crust. This is the crust, mantle and the core. This is the crust, outermost crust. Then you have the mantle. This is the mantle, then this is the core. This is the mantle zone. Crust, mantle and core, three different zones it develop. The outermost part is known as the crust. So, in this zone, this is the mantle here and this one is the core here. So, core as the densest part, it develop, and subsequently if you look at this, if I will take a cross section of this, directly I will come to how you got to know about this, not needed, but direct we should know about the earth interior, composition, physical conditions of the earth interior. If I will take a cross section of this region, हम एक क्रॉस सेक्शन लेते हैं इसका यहाँ से यहाँ तक. If we will take a cross section of this, then we will find out the following. Note down here, the earth interior is not uniform, rather it has heterogeneity with three distinct zones. The earth's interior is not uniform. It has three distinct zones. Number one, the crust, two, the mantle, and the three, the core. I said crust has mostly silica and aluminum, mantle has mostly silica and magnesium, core has mostly nickel and ferrous. Three things, crust, mantle and core. Three things you have. Now, if you will see this, like there is a change in the characteristics of this material with respect to depth. Crust, we can go for 30 to 90 kilometer, crust, mantle and the core